All right, now that we've uploaded several more videos into our Nowcast application, remember the last video we just uploaded A1 video. I went ahead and took the liberty of uploading A2, A3, and A4 videos. Now that we have multiple videos, it's now time to create a video series or a video category. And you would use video categories or video series, let's say if you are a mechanic and you are teaching people different mechanical skill sets. You may have series. Your first series may be on how to change a tire. Your next video series may be on how to change oil. Your third video series may be how to change brakes. The same thing goes with ministers and those that are teaching, so to speak. You can have one series on the book of John, and one series on the book of Matthew, and one series on the book of Job, so on and so on. And every time you create a video series, you want to have those videos that are connected to that series to go inside that video series. So to do that, the first thing I want to do, remember, just a quick follow-up. How did I get here? Let's go back to your dashboard. If I want to get to my video series or my videos in general, remember, I just go to media assets and then I click on videos, and now here I am in the video upload page. Now I want to click on video series. To create a video series is super simple. Just click add video series, and you want to name your video series. I'm going to name it video series A. Video series A. I'm going to click create, and now I have video series A. You can go ahead and just click the save button as soon as you create it, just to make sure that it's already been established in your app. The next thing I want to do is, again, let's just go ahead and add a subtitle. All right, now I want to get some artwork. Just like you did when you uploaded the single video, you want to create artwork for your video series. In this case, this is called Video Series A. That's going to house all of the A videos. So same thing that I did before when I uploaded a single video. I'm going to add 3 different artworks for the video series. Now, I want to show you a side trick. You see how this says 1024 by 1024? You don't necessarily have to create 3 different artworks to be used for all 3 of these different appearances. You can just use the 1920 by 1080 if you're going to create. Just create one file, 1920 by 1080, right? And just make sure that the words that you place at the center of your design is small enough to fit here. And that's really all you have to do, because the 1920 by 692 is the same width, it's just a different height. So when you create your wording that goes in the center, as long as you keep it in a dead center, you'll be able to use it for both the simple box and the landscape box. That's just a side note, and I'll show you right here. I'm going to click on simple box. I'm going to upload video series A, which is a 1920 by 1080. And I'm just going to double click it. As you can see, it's a 1920 by 1080, but I'm going to automatically crop it. I'm just going to move everything over so I can put video series A or my wording at the very center and click apply. Double click it, and now it is in place. Do repeat this process just like you did when you uploaded a video. Video series A artwork. And since this is 1920 by 1080, it does not need to be cropped. And now I'm going to go to landscape box, do the very same thing. Video series A. Here I'm just going to drag it down just a little bit, just to make sure that my wording is at the dead center, top and bottom of my new design. Click apply. Remember, again, this is one artwork, 1920 by 1080. I'm going to double click it. And there I go. Really super simple, guys, how to do that. Now I'm just go ahead and click save. Now it's time to add a video or videos inside this new video series A. To do that, just click add item. And here are all the A videos, A1, A2, A3, A4, that I want to place inside of the video series A. So I'm just going to simply Click all 4 of them, click apply, and there you go. All of them have now been added inside video series 8. Let's make sure we click the save button here, and now you can see this is all published. Just go ahead and click the publish button, and now you have made this video series A that has now all 4 videos inside of it done. Your appearance is completed, your videos is inside video series A, and you are published and ready to go. Just a quick side note, you can rearrange the videos in the order you may want them to go into just by drag and dropping. Make sure you hit save. Congratulations, you just now created your very first video series with all of your videos housed inside.